Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So it's been almost 2 weeks that I haven't posted any video on my channel. Oh guys, I miss you so much. I was away for the holiday and I completely forgot all my equipment to video tape. So yes, I miss you guys so much, but I'm back. So today I want to show you guys about how you can wash your hair without using any shampoo, because shampoo, although shampoo has a lot of chemical that can damage your hair. So I came out with this new DIY and show you how you can do wash your hair. So the ingredient I'm gonna use is apple cider vinegar, water, cinnamon, and apple juice. But I don't have apple juice here, but I've been using this mix for past 2 weeks or past 2 months, and it works perfectly fine. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you how you can do it. So to do this mix, it really depends of the amount of hair that you have. For my hair, I put half cup of water, half cup of apple juice, 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, and 1 tablespoon of cinnamon, and I mix all together. Really, it depends. Like I said, it depends of the amount of hair that you have. So to apply it, you just have to section your hair based on how you want it. If any way that it's easier for you, but for me, I section it in four sections, so it's much easier for me like that to apply. And then you go ahead, just start applying it. Oops. Oh, this bottle is not too good. Yeah, so you go ahead and just start spraying the mixed, and you focusing more on the bottom on your scalp, and massage your scalp really nice. Like I said, you just go all the way in the bottom and massage it nicely. And this is my miracle mixture. Really, it is a miracle, because it's great for eliminating dandruff, get soft shine hair, prevent hair loss, and stimulate hair grow. It's really good mixture. You don't need all those crazy shampoo that has chemical on it, and in the long run those chemical can damage your hair. That's why you see we losing hair, and you don't understand why you're losing your hair. It's because of the product that you're using. So for those that have been following me knows, that I'm all about natural, especially when it comes to my hair. So I try to use natural stuff to my hair. That's why when I tried this for 2 months and it's been working perfectly fine, and I was like, no, I need to share with you guys. For those that don't like to use those kind of crazy shampoo, you can use this and your hair will come out so nice, very clean, and very shiny. So for those that are wondering why I put apple cider vinegar in it, apple cider vinegar, it's really good product for to clean your hair. So apple cider has acetic acid which clean your scalp of any product buildup, and it's because it's antimicrobial. It kills fungus and bacteria, which is what dandruff comes from. And it also makes your hair super shiny, give it insane volume, and a million other things. So apple juice has hair grow properties, vitamin A, D, and C, and cinnamon increase blood circulation, which also stimulate hair growth. So after you do that, I go ahead, you put plastic cup, and I usually double the plastic cup just to have enough heat, and I'll leave it for just 15 minutes and wash it off. And after you wash it off, you go ahead and follow with any so you follow it with any conditioner, and this is the result. So you can see my scalp, it's super shiny, it's super clean. And yeah, so I didn't use no shampoo or anything. So after I do this, because it's winter time, I just keep it like this for 2 weeks, and then do it all over again. You can see my hair, it's super clean. All my scalp is clean. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please share with friends and family. Give a thumbs up. Comment if you have any suggestion, if you have any question about this video. Please don't forget to leave a comment down below. I love you so much, and thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.